it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday night. I got a box of Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy for you guys tonight. I was going to do this tomorrow, but I'm kind of excited to show you this tonight, so I thought I'd do a small haul. Aromatherapy was on sale for $6 last week, and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, and with my 20% off coupon, they came to $4.23 each, which is a really good deal for aromatherapy. And what I'm noticing, you guys, is I wish I had gotten more of the body lotions. I like the body lotion now more than the cream. I did, however, get 2 creams with this order. I've reviewed these before. One is the Cedarwood and Orange Calm, and the other one is the Tuberose and Ylang, I always say that wrong, Passion. These are actually for my aunt. She wanted me to pick up 2 of these for her, so I got those. Awesome price. And then for me, I got the Calm Body Wash and Foam Bath. This is that Cedarwood and Orange again. I love these body washes. These are pretty awesome. I actually like these more in the bathtub than the shower, though. For some reason, these work really good as like a bubble bath because they kind of foam up a little bit. These are awesome. Formula. So I did get patchouli. This is grounding, creates a sense of harmony, quiets the senses, and helps balance emotions. And it's funny because I was never a huge fan of patchouli until I started using Lush. And then all of a sudden, patchouli became like an addictive scent for me. It's really strong, and it's hard to explain unless you smell it at least once. But I love patchouli now. Like, Lush puts patchouli in everything, and it's one of my favorite scents. So I was super excited to get this. This actually just makes me feel good smelling patchouli, and I love this like purple, deep purple glass jar. This is, or bottle. This is awesome. So then I did get a set of the Restore, and it's funny, I've been playing around with this bottle, and I can't get the top open. I don't know why. These usually just pop right up. And I might have to exchange this one because the top isn't working, which is really annoying me right now. It just won't open. The new Restore is actually sage and mint, and it's made with hemp seed oil. I think this is the first hemp seed oil product that we've gotten from Bath & Body Works. But this one smells good. This one definitely has that mint, but you can also smell the sage in there. I think I like the peppermint the best. Remember the peppermint line in the aromatherapy? But this one is not bad. I kind of like this one. I wish that this wasn't an opaque bottle. I actually like, believe it or not, these clear bottles a little bit better. I don't know why. I just think they're prettier. But this is one of the opaque bottles, which isn't bad. But I definitely like this scent. This is nice. And I also got it in the foaming bath. I like this formula. It's just awesome. So I was excited about my aromatherapy haul. And then in this haul, I also got, you guys, remember I said I was missing the strawberry pound cake pocket back. Look what I got today. I'm so excited to finally own a Bath & Body Works strawberry pound cake pocket back. I know it's really crazy. Smells like strawberry pound cake. It really does. Once the alcohol disperses, like I said, I've been dousing myself in pocket back lately. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know. You know me. I love the strawberry pound cake. So anyway, it was kind of neat because I got the 5-pack. So I got 2 of them. These were the 5 for $7 again. And then, I think these were the 5 for $7. Where did my receipt go? I don't know what to do with my receipt. I think they were at that price again. That's where I got them. And then I also got the raspberry lemon sorbet. This was in the 5-pack. We got 2 of these, which was pretty awesome. Oh, that smells good too. And then the final one we got, and I know a lot of you have been talking about how much you love warm vanilla sugar. And this is a really nice scent from Bath & Body Works. Kind of classic, and oh my gosh, this reminds me so much of like Bath & Body Works from years gone by. But I do like warm vanilla sugar too, and I like that they've got like this little bake shop going on them. It's funny. I'm surprised they didn't bring out warm vanilla sugar in the Sweet on You collection. That would have been kind of neat if they brought that out with that collection. So anyway, that is my little mini haul for today. I don't think I have any new hauls coming up. However, I have a lot of stuff to review. So I'm going to start reviewing. I got candles. I'm going to do actually a spring candle collection. I want to rank them like my number one. I think I have about 30 spring candles. I want to do like 1 through 30. My favorite to I don't like to say least favorite because I love them all. So anyway, I got lots of cool videos coming. So hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think of the new Restore. I will see you guys super soon. Bye bye.